Hi kids, hello बच्चों. This is a heart. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a star. And this is a hexagon. Red color. The heart is of red color. Red, red heart. Green color. The triangle is of green color. A triangle has 3 sides. Orange color. The square is of orange color. The square has 4 equal sides. Pink color. The circle is of pink color. A circle has no sides. Blue color. The star is of blue color. The star shines bright up in the sky. And yellow color. The hexagon is of yellow color. The hexagon has 6 equal sides. Let's revise. चलो फिर से करते हैं. Heart, red color. Triangle, green color. Square, orange color. Circle, pink color. Star, blue color. And hexagon, yellow color. Simple. चलो कल मिलते हैं. Bye bye.